Have you ever wanted to invest in private assets like real estate or private equity but found they were too illiquid? Let's talk about interval funds. An interval fund is a type of closed-end investment company that does not trade on an exchange like a typical stock. Unlike mutual funds, you cannot sell your shares whenever you want. You are locked in until the fund opens a repurchase window. These funds invest in assets that take time to sell, like commercial buildings or private debt, which is why they limit your ability to withdraw. The main trade-off is liquidity. While mutual funds offer easy cash access, interval funds trade that flexibility for potential access to private market returns. This chart shows daily liquidity availability. While mutual funds are always open, interval funds only offer liquidity during those small, periodic windows. Always remember that locking your money away is a major commitment. Only consider these if you have a long time horizon. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics. Save this video so you can refer back to it later.